Strap in as we explore the unique flavors, regional variations, and mouth-watering dishes that make Thai food a global favorite. Our culinary adventure takes us deep into the heart of Thailand's food culture, delving into the rich tapestry of flavors defined by aromatic herbs and spices. Not only will we explore the signature taste of Thai cuisine, but we will also experience the subtleties of regional variations and local charm. Along the way will a variety of Thai dishes, sweet treats, and refreshing beverages. Prepare for a culinary journey that will transport your taste buds straight to Thailand. A Thai cuisine is renowned for its aromatic flavors and vibrant colors, but what are the key ingredients behind these delicious dishes? Let's dive into the world of Thai flavors, where a handful of ingredients play the starring roles. First up, we have lemongrass, a citrusy herb that infuses Thai dishes with a fresh, lemony scent. It's often used in soups and curries, or pounded into a paste for stir-fries. Next, we encounter galangal, a rhizome similar to ginger, but with a sharper, peppery taste. It's an essential ingredient in many Thai curries and soups, providing an earthy depth of flavor. Finally, kaffir lime leaves lend a uniquely Thai twist to dishes. Its intense citrus aroma permeates through many Thai classics, from spicy soups to creamy curries. Let's not forget the fiery Thai chilies, sweet palm sugar, tangy tamarind, and fragrant fish sauce that balance out the flavors, creating that distinctive Thai taste. These ingredients are the backbone of Thai cuisine, providing the distinctive flavors that we all love. Did you know that Thai cuisine varies greatly from region to region? Indeed, the gastronomic landscape of Thailand is as diverse as its geography, each region offering its own distinctive flavors and techniques. In the Central Plains, where rice fields abound, you'll find dishes like green curry and tom yum soup, which balance heat with a symphony of aromatic herbs. The cuisine here is often more complex, incorporating a wider range of ingredients. Moving south, where coconut groves flourish, you'll taste the luscious, creamy curries that the region is famous for. Seafood is also a staple, given the proximity to the sea. Then travel to the northeastern Isan region, where the food can be fiery hot. Here you'll encounter dishes like som tum, a spicy, tangy green papaya salad, and larb, a zesty, herb-filled meat salad. Finally, the northern mountainous region showcases hearty, earthy dishes with a Burmese influence. Regardless of where you are in Thailand, you're sure to find a dish that delights your palate. Now let's dive into some of the most iconic dishes that Thailand has to offer. First up is Pad Thai. This beloved noodle dish is a symphony of flavors featuring rice noodles stir-fried with tofu or shrimp, tangy tamarind sauce, crunchy peanuts, and a squeeze of fresh lime. It's a must-try street food that's found in every corner of the country. Next is green curry. This dish is a blend of green chili paste, creamy coconut milk, bamboo shoots, and typically includes meat, like chicken or beef. Its rich, aromatic flavor is a testament to the power of fresh Thai herbs and spices. Last but not least, we have som tum. This refreshing salad is a mix of shredded green papaya, chili, lime, fish sauce, and a handful of other ingredients. It's a perfect balance of sour, sweet, spicy, and salty flavors, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. These dishes are just a taste of what Thai cuisine has to offer. No meal is complete without a sweet treat and a refreshing beverage. And when it comes to Thai cuisine, the options are truly delightful. Let's explore the world of Thai desserts and beverages that are loved by locals and tourists alike. First, we dive into the realm of Thai desserts. Mango sticky rice is a quintessential Thai dessert, a harmonious blend of sweet ripe mangoes, glutinous rice, and creamy coconut milk. It's a tropical delight that's hard to resist. Then there's coconut ice cream, a cooling treat that's a savior on a hot day. Creamy, rich, and packed with the flavor of fresh coconuts, it's a must-try when in Thailand. Moving on to beverages, Thai iced tea is a crowd favorite. A blend of strong black tea, sugar, and condensed milk, it's a sweet, creamy, and refreshing drink. And for those who prefer something a bit stronger, Singapore is a popular local brew that pairs well with Thai dishes. Whether you prefer something sweet or refreshing, Thai cuisine has got you covered. We've taken a whirlwind tour of Thai cuisine, from its key ingredients to its regional variations, iconic dishes, and delicious desserts and beverages. We've uncovered the aromatic herbs and spices that craft the bold flavors Thailand is famous for, traversed the distinct culinary traditions of its regions, and savored the iconic dishes that have put Thai cuisine on the global map. We also indulged in sweet treats and refreshing drinks that complete the Thai dining experience. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Stay tuned for our next adventure in the world of food.